Mm. 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 Let me think about that. Hey, welcome back to Candra's World Candylands. Happy Sunday. Yes, I got on my morning robe. It's a Sunday morning. And I will be doing a Sippy Sip Live. So this is my leftover dinner. I said I ain't want no breakfast food. I said let me finish eating the rest of my food from last night. So, how's y'all weather? There's a little sun, but they say it's going to rain. It's muggy, but fortunately, fortunately, my allergies ain't acting up. So, I made a homemade meal yesterday, and got some mashed potatoes, some chicken, and some string beans. Well, now they call them green beans. When I was going there, they were string beans. That never fails. I got my water. Ooh. And I let it freeze overnight. So you see that little ice in there? Yes. Because when you go to the grocery store, I couldn't even find a case of water. So I had to recycle. I put it in there last night. I was like, I hope nobody ain't touch it. Because y'all know how these people in this house is. You put something in the refrigerator, they think you don't want it. So I will be refilling it because I will be drinking water all day. Well, not all day because it's going to be sippy sip time. Y'all, vegetables good. When I was younger, you couldn't pay me to eat no vegetables. Now, I love it. When I go to the store, and give me some Brussels sprouts. But y'all, I want this meal's never too late or too not seasonal to have some beans. And I'm about to make me a pot of great northern beans with some little pigtails or some neck bones. I got plenty of beans, I just don't have the meat to go with it. And I ain't liking my mother day. She said when she was growing up, her mother, my grandmother, they had beans, they had no meat. She said my mother lived in the house with her mother and her father. And they grew up what's that? A stem? And they grew up in the 60s era. So her father was so strict that they said they'd be smelling eggs and sausage in the morning. See, that was a treat for them. Once in the very blue moon. So she said they be making, her mother be making eggs and sausage. Come to find out, it'd be just for their father. So I said, what y'all have? She said either corn flakes with no sugar, not frosted flakes, but some more corn flakes, or oatmeal. And my mother's father was much older than my grandmother by 30 years. And he was in the military, so he was real strict with his kids. And they couldn't eat sugar. That's no wonder why my mother got married at 16. She said she had to get out that house. So my father is sold. So they had the fried chicken with the hot sauce, the macaroni and cheese. My mother said she wasn't introduced to that until she met my father. And she met my father at 13. That's while I'm here. At 13, yeah. So, she got pregnant. And she got married at 16. And my father was what? They 4 years apart. He was 19. Okay. And that's when I'm going to write this book. I already started it. But I'm procrastinating because I'm almost finished. And then you got to go way back in your membrane. Sometimes you just don't want to remember. And the book is about growing up with young parents. So y'all, we'll be talking about Taurus men, understanding the Taurus man. Not the women, but the men. I did the women last week. Y'all, this is good. That ice doing wonders, y'all. You think I ain't gonna refill it? Water is good for your body, period. You can substitute it with soda, juice, tea. But at the end of the day, you're gonna need that water. Sometimes I can drink my water warm. Sometimes I can drink it normal. And I like sometimes cold. I like my water cold when I'm very thirsty. Because we all know water don't have no taste. And why are my lips juicy? Greasy. And I don't do that flavored water. Nah, I don't want no sweet water. So let's get into it, y'all. Understanding the Taurus man. Taurus men prefers a person who is cute, cuddly, calm, and comfortable with showing their emotions and their affections, what I'm talking about. They are easygoing and not too independent. They not independent or dependent. They say they not too independent. Oh, well they do, yeah. Okay. That means they not dependent. What it means, tell me. They independent. They not too independent. So they still depends on people. Okay, got it. And they highly energetic. Never dealt with a Taurus man. But I do have a Taurus daughter. And my nephew a Taurus. And yeah, see how he's very energetic. Yes, he is. Because you know why? For the men, they stubborn. Even the females. It's like you literally pushing a bull. When I'm talking to my daughter. But like I said, it's not about a female or a male. And my nephew grown now, so I ain't really been around him, you know, like he was when he was little. So, you know, when they get grown, they don't want auntie and all that in the business. So with that note, y'all, I'm about to slide, and I will see y'all at Sippy Sip time. No later than 3. So, yeah. You know what time it is. My lips so juicy. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on back. until next time, I will see y'all soon with another mukbang.